In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a glitch sound effect in CapCut PC. First, go to the Audio tab and click on Sound Effects. In the search bar, type glitch to find a variety of options. Click to preview the sounds and choose the one that fits your video. Then click the plus icon to add it to the timeline. Next, position the sound effect where you want it in your video and trim it as needed. Use the settings panel on the right to adjust fade in, fade out, and volume for a smoother transition. That's it! Your glitch sound effect is now added. Hope this tutorial was helpful.